Guys, welcome back. It's Jen, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a horizontal texture cake. I love this look. It's so beautiful and very popular, and actually it's easier than frosting a smooth cake if you're new to smoothing a cake. It's also used a lot for wedding cakes. Really the only tool you need to do this is an angled spatula. I used a 9-inch angled spatula to get this size of line. If you want a wider line, you could use a 13-inch angled spatula. And you can also leave the top smooth if you don't want that spiral effect on top. This is what I did in the wedding photo you see here. So we're going to be starting with a cake that's frosted decently smooth. So if you don't know how to do this, go ahead and check out my how to frost a cake tutorial where I show you how to build and frost the cake. And you're going to want to do this horizontal texture technique as soon as you're done frosting the cake so it doesn't give it a chance to crust over. So if you have already frosted it smooth and it's been sitting out, just make sure that it is at room temperature, and you can go ahead and put some plastic wrap over it or put it under a cake dome to get it to soften up again and moisten up again. I also have a lot of great cake and frosting recipes if you need one. So you're going to let the turntable do most of the work here. So you're going to put the center of your angled spatula in the middle of the cake, and you're just going to apply light pressure and slowly just pull the angled spatula toward the outside of the cake as you turn the turntable. Just be careful when you get to the edge that you don't go too close to the edge, because you want to keep that nice sharp edge that you created. And then you can move to the side of the cake. I like to start at the top of the side of the cake because I have more control of where I start than where I end up, and the top side of the cake is more of a focal point than the bottom. So again, you just put light pressure on the tip of your angled spatula, and again, be careful not to ruin those nice edges that you created. And every time you go around the cake a full rotation, you're going to slightly move your blade down to make the next line. Again, the turntable is doing most of the work here. Okay, so you might be saying to yourself, wait a minute, I haven't mastered this turntable thing, keeping it spinning. You can still do this technique. You just move it slowly and kind of slowly lift off your spatula as you have to stop, and then start up gently again. Kind of like when you frost your cake, how you gently set it down and then gently pull away following through. So that's it, you guys. Now you know how to make a horizontal texture cake. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.